Hey creators! Welcome to today's tutorial, where we will make 6 standout typography styles using Canva, which you can use in your next design. Each style is practical, visually compelling, and easy to recreate, perfect for campaigns, posters, and professional projects. Let's dive in. Open New Design. Go to Text and click on Add a Heading. Now type your text. Here go to Font Options and select Genty. Select the text and increase its letter spacing. Now change its color to yellow. Here duplicate the text and adjust it slightly above the first one. Similarly duplicate it 5-6 times. They will arranged one above the other. Now select the top layer of the text and change its color. Now duplicate the text again and change its color to white. Here go to Effects and select Hollow. By doing this, we will create an outline for our text. Adjust it over the main text and adjust its thickness. Now select them all together and click on Group. Go to Elements and search for Retro Poster. Choose a suitable image and set it as the background. Now to add more depth, ungroup the text and duplicate it again. Here change its color to black. Bring it at the bottom of the main text to create a shadow effect and reduce its transparency. And we will have our design ready. Our next text effect is very simple and easy to create. For this, first type your text and adjust its size. And go to Fonts and select Carotene. Here, for the text, choose Italics. Now go to Element and search for Curve Shadow. Put it over the text like this. Now select the text and go to Effects. Here choose Curve. Now adjust its radius to same the curve shadow. Duplicate the shadow for more clear effect. Like this, in just few steps we can make our text stand out. First, open a new design and go to Text. Click on Add a Heading. Type your text. Go to Fonts and change it to Anton. Resize the text and also increase the letter spacing. Add a rectangle. Bring it behind the text. Now download it as PNG and upload it again on the next page. Here remove its background. Now add the main image. Bring it behind the text and resize it. Now select the text. Go to Edit and choose Duotone. Here click on Custom. Now change both the highlights and shadow to white. Crop the text as well. Now duplicate the image again and remove its background. Crop the bottom image so that it is visible from inside the text. And layer the top image behind our text like this. Click on Text and go to Edit. Here choose Shadow. Select Drop Shadow. Adjust blur, angle, and distance. This will give a lifted effect to our text. Next effect is super easy, and yet very effective for our design project. Type your text and choose any bold font. We will select here Ashley Crawford. Resize the text. Change the color of the text and adjust the letter spacing. Now change the background color to black. Go to Elements and search for cracks. Select a suitable one from Graphics. Now bring it over the text. Duplicate it and arrange it over the text to create a crack effect on the text. And in no time, we have our design ready. For the next design, first add your text. Now change the font. Increase its size and rotate it slightly. Now download it as PNG. Upload it again on the next page. Here, remove its background. Duplicate the text. Now crop the text in 2 halves. Arrange them like this to create a slice effect on the text. Now go to Elements and search for Shadow in Graphics. Here, adjust it over the text like this. Duplicate it again and arrange it over the first one to create a darker shadow. Here we can repeat the same process again to create a nice cut effects over the text. Subscribe to the channel for more such design ideas and watch this next Canva tutorial.